Hey, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another brand new video on my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a great day as always. And in today's video, I want to share with you guys an awesome application that I found out recently. This is a multi-platform application, meaning you can get it on your Windows computer, your MacOS computer, or even on a Linux machine. And this is called Franz, F-R-A-N-Z. This is actually an all-in-one messaging platform that allows you to run all your messaging services in one application. Now, it sounds like it's a lot, but it's not really. It's a very simple system that is super useful, and I feel like this was so needed. Like, I've never had any service like this before, and this is the first time that I'm using a messaging manager to use all my services, and I think it's amazing. It's really convenient to have an application just minimized and an application that I can quickly just open up, and I have all my services listed on the side, and I can switch between them like I'm switching tabs. So let's go into my computer. I'll show you how you can download it, I'll show you how you can set up your services, and I'll show you some settings and how you can use it. So before we get into my desktop, let me just let you know that this is a free service. Franz is actually so caring about their users. They allow you to have unlimited amount of services on your Franz account, meaning you can have 5 or 40 different services on your Franz account manager, and you will still be able to use your service free of charge. Now, there is a premium version that you can upgrade to. I think it's about $4 a month, $36 a yearly. But crazy thing is, I have the free version and I have yet to see an ad. So maybe I got lucky, I don't know. But for most of you out there, the free version is well above your needs. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer and let's get into this Franz manager. Okay, so we are on the official Franz website. I'll put the link in the description for you guys. And right now it's just telling me to download Franz. I'm gonna go to the download on the top here, and as you can see, that's where you can download it for Windows, you can download it for Mac, you can download it for Linux. Like I said, it's majorly supported on every platform. So going to the top, if you go into this pricing, this is where it'll talk about its premium features. So now that we're on the pricing page, one thing you should know is even if you have a free license, you have the option to use unlimited services. You can have 10 Gmail accounts, 10 messenger apps, 10 messenger accounts, and all that stuff running, and it'll still be free for you. So that is super awesome. So some of the free features include no ads, no asking you to keep upgrading, and it will give you a free spell checker. Well, not free, but paid spell checker, and it'll give you proxy support and on-premise hosted services. Crazy thing is, I already have a spell checker on my Franz for some reason, and I never get asked to upgrade to the premium version, and I never get ads even though I have the basic version. So maybe I just got lucky, I don't know, but somehow if you want to upgrade to the premium version, it's only $4 a month or $36 yearly, so it's a pretty good deal. So once you have your Franz account created, you can go ahead and download it and log in through the application on your computer, and this is essentially how it looks like. So let me go ahead and make it a little bigger. There you go. So this is the Franz application. Right now, as you can see, I'm on my WhatsApp, but I want to talk about the settings a little bit first. So right now we're on my settings, and something that I right now have is this option which just never came default. So it's minimize Franz system tray. So that means when I minimize it, it goes directly into my system tray and it doesn't clutter up my taskbar. So I can easily pop it back open from here and it resumes. The other thing that I manually had to turn on was the join the dark side option. So this came like this. Now don't get me wrong, it's still a very minimalistic looking, simple, white themed application. It still looks really nice, but if you join the dark side, that looks even better. So that's something that I personally did to my version. Like I said, for some reason I had the spell checker already enabled. I don't think that should come for you. I don't know how I ended up getting that for some reason. By the way, this video is not at all sponsored or anything like that. I just saw the service, I found it cool, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. So let's go into the services that I use. So I use my messenger, I use Gmail, my personal account, I use Gmail, the work account, I use Google Keep, I use Android messages, and WhatsApp. So I use a lot of services through Franz, and it works really good. So applications like WhatsApp, I believe, already have their application version. but applications like Messenger, they don't. They have a web page pretty much. But Franz is smart enough to use the application version for some and use the web-based version for some, and overall it gives you a combined experience which just works flawlessly. Trust me, it works really well. So as you can see, my account right here, basic account, nothing exciting here. Let's go out of there, and as you can see, this is the interface. The interface actually gives you your services on the top. It's pretty much on the left side like a bar, and you can switch between different services. So here's my Messenger, go into Gmail, my personal, Gmail work, and then Google Keep, and then my Android messages, pretty much my SMS, and then WhatsApp. Okay, now let's say you want to add a new service. You just go into the bottom left and you choose add new service, or you can press Ctrl and N, and these are the most popular services that they have, but I'm gonna go through every single service and just point out the ones that I think are some that I could possibly end up using. So Android messages, Discord, Facebook pages, Gmail, GitHub, even though I use GitKraken right now, Google Allo, Google Calendar, Google Keep, Google Voice, Hangouts, Hangouts Chat, Inbox by Gmail, Office 365, Messenger, Outlook, Skype, let's see, Telegram, Twitter DMs, Twitch. I don't know what TweetDeck is, but WhatsApp and WeChat is some sort of Chinese WhatsApp version. I don't know, but as you can see, there's a bunch of services that you can use, and some of these are really popular services, and they're all, once again, free of charge. So you can actually even request for any services that you want, which is another cool feature. By the way, this is an open source application, so it's constantly getting developed and it's getting services, support, and all that stuff. So let's actually go and talk about the interface and end off the video soon. So here is another option on the bottom left. It is actually the toggle to turn your notifications and alerts on or off, which is really handy sometimes. And then this is a quick button to go into your settings. Over here you can also go into settings and quit. Edit, I barely use this feature. It's like to copy and undo, cut, and all that stuff. I barely use this, to be honest. Over here, view is pretty useful. So you can actually reload Franz. You can reload specific services. You can zoom in, zoom out, go into full screen mode like this. And reloading services is actually useful because once I got the error saying, well, not an error, but it said you need to upgrade Google Chrome in order to run WhatsApp. And I knew my Google Chrome was already updated, so I just had to right click on the WhatsApp logo and I had to choose reload, and we were back working again. So let me go back to the Windows mode. The other thing you have is services, and over here you can go ahead and add new services and toggle between your existing services. And Windows is just another basic minimize and close feature. Like I said, it's a very simple featured application which is super useful, all-in-one messaging platform service manager, whatever you want to call it. It is Franz, F-R-A-N-Z. Really cool app that I just stumbled upon. I decided I want to share with you guys. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, be sure to drop a like and comment down what you want to see in a future video, or ask me any questions. I'll try to answer it. And yeah, subscribe. Also, turn on your post notifications to be notified whenever I release future content. And with that being said, this is Tech Alpha signing out with today's video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.